This is the Apple iPad Air, and it's one of the best tablets I've ever used. But it is a bit more expensive than the iPad 10 and some of the other top tablets on the market, and I wanted to check out the extra value and where it's most useful. So I tested out some of the top competitors for a couple of weeks to see how they compare, and I found out some interesting things that actually could make the iPad Air perfect for some people. So in this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know if you're interested in the Apple iPad Air, like how to use it, how it performs, and how it compares to competitors. Starting with what's inside the box, we find the iPad Air itself, a USB-C cable for charging, a power adapter, and a user guide. To get started using the tablet, press and hold the top button until the Apple logo appears. If it doesn't turn on, it may first need a battery charge. The iPad Air comes with a lot of essential apps preloaded like Safari, Messages, and Contacts. And there are over 1 million more apps available on the App Store. If the iPad Air is an upgrade from a previous tablet, it's fairly simple to transfer settings and data. From an older iPad, bring the two devices close together and use the automatic Quick Start process. To transfer from an Android model, use the Move to iOS app. The iPad Air turns off the display to save power, looks for security, and goes to sleep when it's not being used. It can quickly be woken up and unlocked by tapping the screen or pressing the top button and unlocking it through Touch ID. The iPad Air is controlled with simple hand gestures like a tap to open or select, a swipe to see apps or move direction, or using 2 fingers to zoom in or out, or use the Siri voice system to operate hands-free. One key plus about the iPad Air when compared to other tablets is that it's powered by Apple's M1 chip, which is actually a chip made for the Mac computer. The M1 chip gives the Air tablet amazing power and speed. It can be used for things like higher-level gaming and editing, beyond what many of its competitors can handle, and it does a great job on streaming content from movies to music to podcasts. Plus, the iPad Air supports Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, so it gives fast access to files, uploads, and downloads, and seamless streaming. If top-level processing speed is really important, the Air is a great choice. The Air's 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display is vibrant and crisp, perfect for both work and entertainment. It uses True Tone technology, which adjusts the color level in the display to suit the light conditions in the room. I found the display amazingly clear regardless of the lighting level and time of day. Another outstanding feature of the iPad Air is the laminated display and anti-reflective coating, which are not something that lower-level iPads or many competitors have. Both things help to enhance the display quality, and lamination makes the Air even more responsive to writing and drawing. The Siri voice control system can be used to send messages, set reminders, listen to and identify songs, and more. It raises the convenience factor by a huge amount. The iPad Air has a 12-megapixel ultra-wide front camera with a center stage feature, meaning it keeps the subject centered in the frame during video calls despite any movement, a really useful feature. It also has a 12-megapixel back camera, which is great for 4K filming and photography. Touch ID is built into the top button, and this allows using a fingerprint to unlock the iPad, sign into apps, and make payments securely with Apple Pay. This is such a cool and useful feature. It has all-day battery life, which is really handy, so no need to worry about losing charge in the middle of the day. Another plus of the Air is its compatibility with the Apple Pencil 2nd Gen, which is great for drawing and for anyone who loves jotting down notes. The 2nd Gen Pencil can be charged via the iPad, which is a plus from the Gen 1 Pencil that lower model iPads use because it needed to be charged separately. And if typing is an important activity, it is easy since the Air has support for the Magic Keyboard and Smart Keyboard Folio. Both the pencil and keyboard are sold separately. The Apple iPad Air is a fast and powerful iPad that provides an upgraded capacity for things like gaming, video editing, and creative tasks. It's easy to use and comes in 5 colors to suit individual style. Its M1 chip and support for Wi-Fi 6 connectivity means it easily handles streaming movies and listening to music, as well as more intense activities like higher-level gaming and editing. The 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display is vibrant and sharp. Plus, it's laminated with an anti-reflective coating. It has a landscape 12-megapixel front-facing camera and a 12-megapixel rear camera as well, plus all-day battery life. And it is compatible with the Apple Pencil 2 for drawing or note-taking, and also has a Magic Keyboard and Smart Keyboard Folio that make typing easy. Well, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time.